my toddler, y'all, he is having quite, he's having a meltdown. I don't even know why. He don't got no bills to pay. He ain't got no job to go to. Why is he having a meltdown? What is he stressed out about? Look at him. Completely stressed. It must be hard being two. Okay. This corn dog has been all over the house. Tell them hey. No. Tell them hey. Say hey yo. Yeah. Oh, somebody just saved me, man. Literally. He's been having a meltdown all morning long. He's so bad. Yeah, okay, so we just got back from speech therapy. So he now goes to speech therapy. But he goes to speech therapy twice a week. Now he'll be going to occupational therapy. He'll be doing 2 sessions a week for both. So we're doing both of those at the same day to just kind of knock 2 birds out with one stone. Yeah, he's having a meltdown, y'all. So I'm just fresh back from therapy. So I'm going to attempt to start on the fireplace because the couch is on, as I told you guys. Oh, and welcome back to another video, you guys. Today is Monday. So the couches, yeah, we found the couch Saturday. I found the couch Saturday. The couch is gonna be delivered Wednesday, which is in 2 days. So I need to get this fireplace done Wednesday. The curtains are gonna be here Wednesday as well. And I actually ordered a new rug. Yay, oh my God, you guys come if you guys see what it looks like. It's really gonna come full circle. When you see the new like vibe, you're gonna really know why I need to change out this coffee table and this console, because it just does not go in this bar cart, because it does not go with this new style. But anyway. Oh gee. Hold on, y'all. I swear. He's driving me crazy. Anyway, so yeah, you guys will see kind of like a new vibe of what I'm going for. Anyway, so I don't know when the rug is gonna be here. It's gonna be here within the next 3 to 5 days. So I'll let you guys know when it comes. But the couch will be here Wednesday. It's gonna be delivered Wednesday, and then the new curtains are gonna be here Wednesday as well. And I ordered me some pillow inserts for the pillow covers I end up getting from IKEA. I got some from West End because I wanted to be a better quality, because the ones I had on that ended up selling with the old couch, those inserts were just not good quality. They were like, the feathers were coming out of them. It was just a hassle. So I ended up getting some good ones from West End. I ordered those last night as well. And then what else I get? Oh, I ordered the light fixture, you guys. So you won't be seeing this hanging for too much longer. I think it's gonna be here Wednesday or Friday. It's on the 28th. Whatever the 28th is, it's gonna be here at the end. So yeah, so let me try to get baby wire settled, and then we'll go ahead and start on the fireplace. I need to take the mounter off, prep everything with tape and all that good stuff to get ready to actually paint. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get him settled. Hopefully he'll go ahead and take him a little nap, and then we'll get started on the fireplace. You guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see. I can't wait to see what's gonna look like myself, honestly. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, so let me get him settled. I want to change clothes, put my little paint clothes on, and then we will go ahead and get to working on the fireplace, which is so exciting. You guys, it's coming together. I'm so happy. I can't wait for you guys to see the couch, you guys. You guys are not gonna believe what color I chose. My husband was like, what? You guys, oh my God, the couch is so pretty. It's actually a little bit bigger than the old couch, so I'm a little bit nervous about like the size. So we may do a little bit of measuring, put the tape down to see, because this new couch is 95 or 96 inches long. And the other couch, I think, was like 89 or 90. So I'm a little bit nervous about it. But because it's only one couch, I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, because we don't have those 2 couches anymore. So we're going to be losing some seating that way. But again, oh yeah, and I saw 2 chairs. I should have recorded those chairs when I was in there. So you may be going back and getting those 2 chairs from, maybe I'm going up getting some chairs from the same store, because they were the exact kind of style. They had like a brushed nickel finish, and they also had one with like the black front. Oh my god, y'all, they were so pretty. I may pop back in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys can let me know what you think about them, but I may end up getting those 2 chairs there. But my husband is like adamant on getting a lazy boy, so we're gonna get a lazy boy to go in our bedroom for him, so when he's home he wants to play the game, which he never does, but he's convinced he's gonna play. Anyway, so we're gonna go look for that this weekend probably as well. But yeah, let me hop off and get him settled, and I'll be back and we'll start on the fireplace, you guys. So exciting. Installed I could just freaking scream. He installed it. He made 2 screws, but he also hammered 2 nails in, so that's why it's not just coming off. Why would he just not do all screws? Okay, let me figure out it and I'll be right back.
1,000 years later.
Alright, you guys, I cannot get it off without damaging the mantle, so I'm going to try to tape it off as much as I possibly can, just because, I mean, what choice do I have at this point? I'm so frustrated by this. Let me try to tape it off and see if I can get it a good tape on it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
Hey y'all, baby Wyatt is asleep, so I'm gonna try to take advantage of this time while he's asleep. So I'm gonna be coating the bricks with this all-purpose stucco patch, but I'm gonna do it all over it. So it has to cure for 3 days before I can paint it. So I'm gonna put this on now, and then go ahead and paint the rest of the fireplace today, and then come back and just touch that paint up.
wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
Tuesday. All right, y'all. So I actually got done working out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to kill 2 birds in one stone and go ahead and start painting them. Show you guys what the fireplace is looking like. So this is with the first coat of the stucco. It looks so good. I ran out of stucco, so I couldn't get the front part. I need the red, and I got part of this side. Off that. No, no, no. That's what this is about. No, no. No, no, no. No, no. It's not cured yet. Get back. Oh my God. He's trying to climb on it, y'all. I got part of this. No, 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 no. It's not done yet. I need to get this front part. And I didn't get this side. But I need to do some. No, no, no. Stop, baby white. Well, I need to touch it up some in some spots too, but it looks so good. It's gonna look really good. Versus the brick, the stucco look is gonna look really good. But anyway, no, 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 don't get on there. So we're gonna go ahead and start painting, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and start at the top and work my way down. I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown paper now just in case some stuff splatters. But you're gonna go ahead and start painting today because the couch is gonna be here tomorrow. And I'm ready to get my TV back up here too. So let me grab my ladder. Whew, y'all, I'm tired. No, 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 nobody get down. No, no, no. No, sir. No, no, no. Come on. Come
on. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house. And I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down.
Making some progress, look. It's looking so good, but it's gonna take a lot longer than I thought it was because I'm gonna go over with one coat first and then let it dry and then come back, fill in all the little seams, then go back in with another coat. So it may take maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 coats, but y'all, it's gonna be so freaking pretty, especially when I'm thinking about not even painting the brick now. What you guys think? We'll see how it looks when I get done. I am definitely gonna make this mantle lighter though, cause it's dark. I'm gonna do like a white oak finish on it to make it lighter. But y'all, it's looking so good so far. Just pray my back hold up. But it's looking so good. This is just one coat. I'm not even completely done with it yet, but it's looking so good. My husband had to lock baby wide in the room because he was cutting up. So, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. It's gonna be so freaking pretty. So you guys, got my little lemon water. Let me go ahead and I have put my little Pandora on. So let me go ahead and get to moving. While I have some help here for baby wide. All right, y'all. This is the first coat. Looking real rough. I'm gonna let it dry, then come back in, and then fill in all the cracks, the seams, the grooves, and then do the second coat.
2,000 years later.
My camera's been real dead because I haven't had it on charge all day. Why is still up crying? CJ needs to be asleep. He knows he's way past his bedtime. I'm making corn dogs and like at 11 o'clock at night, but I'm about to finish painting. Because I can't record it. I'm just gonna. You guys, it is the next day. Oh my freaking God, y'all. She is done. She is so freaking pretty, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. I don't want to show y'all too much because the couch came. Oh my God. I'm not going to be showing it to the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the fireplace is looking like. Oh my God, y'all. So freaking cute. I have to do a little bit of touch up. But you guys, oh my God. Okay, so let me show you guys a little quickly. Let me see if I can turn back. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all. The rug is here. Oh my God, that's gonna be in the next video as well. It's so exciting. I'm gonna show you guys the couch, and also the light fixture showed up, you guys. Oh my God. It just came today. The light fixture did, so we're gonna be putting it up today when my husband gets home. The curtains don't actually fit, they're too small or too short, so I'm gonna be sending those back with you guys. Oh my God, you guys gotta stay tuned to the next video. I cannot wait to show you guys the couch. I'm gonna have the light fixture up by then, the new rug. Now we're gonna put the rug down together. So exciting. All right, you guys, I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here so I can go ahead and get this up for you guys. Oh my God, it looks so good, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on. Baby Wyatt is taking a nap, so I'm gonna take the time to edit. I'm gonna take advantage of the time my baby Wyatt is asleep so I can get a little bit of work done. But you guys, oh my God, when our TV gets back up, and I'm actually thinking about, my husband said the same thing, leaving it that color for now. I can always paint it black if I decide to later, but for now, I'm kind of liking the way it looks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the color or like the finish on the fireplace. If you guys like it, let me know. Have you guys ever tried to add do a stucco on your fireplace? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know if you guys have tried it already. But you guys, oh my God, so much stuff is happening. I'm so excited. Okay, let me go on. Let me hop off because I ramble on all day. I'll catch you guys on my next one.